I'm Mark Francis Magtubo, and my buddy.
I'm Angelo Chris Cumilla from LCPC Laterized Education Program for BSCS 1B.
We are here to discuss to you about the history of computer parts and its different functions. Regarding this report, we are going to tackle about the persons that has a big influence to the progress of computer.
So sit back and enjoy. Computer history. Computer is started on China at around 500 BC. Abacus was probably the mechanical counting device. But out of more human need, abacus can no longer satisfy the new demand for highly complicated and repetitive tasks of calculations. This new demand prompted the people to invent more calculating tools. In 19th century, English missionary and Cambridge professor Charles Babbage invented the difference engine, which is capable for computing mathematical tables. Unfortunately, he failed to complete this idea. So, he came up with an idea of an analytical engine that could add, subtract, multiply, divide in a rate of 60 calculations a minute. A decade later, Lydia Gustav presented an idea that punch card could be used to instruct Babbage engine to perform a repetitive instruction. Because of this, Lydia Gustav, popularly known as the first programmer. During World War II, Alan Turing invented the Colossus. With the use of Colossus, the British cracked 2,000 Enigma code, information, and message. From 1935 to 1938, John Vincent Atanasoff had begun to think a machine that could reduce the time it took for it. In 1942, Atanasoff and his graduated student, Clifford E. Berry, came up with an Atanasoff Berry computer. Dr. Atanasoff, recognized as the first inventor of the first electronic digital computer. Two years later, Mart 1 was created by Howard Aiken, a professor in Harvard University. It has many similarities to Babbage analytical engine. Presper Eckert and John Macleay invented the ENIAC to compute the trajectory of the tables for the new guns. Macleay and Eckert designed the first general-purpose device called Univac. The invention of transistors in the era of the second generation of the computer, transistors were first used to build the first computer in 1956. This is the beginning of computer's second generation. Computers made their way from office to home with the introduction of the smaller and relatively cheaper small personal computer. The Altair 8800 is considered as the first modern computer. Soon, computers will always be on the edge of technology, and anyone that learns to harness its power will be an important part of the future.
And now, we are going to the second part of our report, the parts of computer and its different functions. First part of the computer is the monitor. Monitor displays data in a graphic or text form. There are two types of monitor. The LCD, which is the liquid crystal display, and the CRT, which is the cathode ray tube. The second part of the computer is the keyboard. Keyboard consists of three main parts: the alphanumeric keys, the function keys, and the numeric keypad. Function keys consist of keys from 1 to 12. The alphanumeric keypads consist of alphabets from A to Z and numbers from 1 to 0. Also, the numeric keypad consists of numbers from 1 to 0 and the 4 solutions of math, plus, minus, division type. The third part of the computer is the mouse. Mouse is a small input device used to click, drag, and select applications on the screen of the monitor. While the fourth part of the computer is the speaker. It allows you to hear sounds, musics from the computer. The fifth part of the computer is the modem. Modem is an output device receive and transfers data using telephone wire or a high-speed cable. The sixth part of the computer is the printer. Printer is an output device that transfers data from a computer onto a paper to produce a solid output. The last part of the computer is also the most important part.
I am Angelo Cruz Camilla, and my buddy, I am Mark Francis Magtubo. Thank you for listening
And thank you for watching.
saying goodbye.
Goodbye.